his black and white cat. Early in the morning, just as day is dawning, he picks up all the post bags in his van. Postman Pat, Postman Pat, Postman Pat, and his black and white cat. All the birds are singing, and the day is just beginning. Pat feels he's a really happy man. Everybody knows his bright red band. All his friends will smile as he waves to greet them. Maybe you can never be sure. There'll be knock, ring, parcels to your door. Postman Pat, Postman Pat, Postman Pat, and his black and white cat. All the birds are singing, and the day is just beginning. Pat feels he's a really happy man. Pat feels he's a really happy man.
This is so much fun.
Yeah.
Thanks, Dad.
Hey, Dad.
Hello, Julian. Hi, kids. Are you looking forward to the comet tonight?
Mum says it's going to be amazing. Like a great big firework in space.
She's taking us up to Greendale Peak to watch it.
Pat, have you got anything for me?
Oh, sorry, Charlie. No, I haven't. Oh, hello. Special delivery service.
Pat, it's Ben. I've got an urgent delivery.
We're on our way.
Is it my parcel?
I'll find out, Charlie. I'd better hurry. Bye.
Bye.
We've got a special delivery. What's it going to be today, Jess?
Wow, this comet looks amazing.
Hi, Ben.
Hi, Pat, you're here. Great. Here is your special delivery. This little beauty is for Charlie Pringle.
A telescope, of course. He wants it to watch the comet tonight.
Lauren's picking the kids up at 6 o'clock sharp, so you've only got half an hour to get back to Greendale.
I'd better take the bike. It's quickest. We're a bit low on petrol, Jess. Better stop at Ted's garage on the way. We'll still have enough time to get to Charlie.
Pat, I forgot to give you this. It's a sat-nav.
Sat-nav?
Satellite navigation. It tells you which way to go when you're driving.
Ben, I think I know my way back to Greendale by now. Besides, I've got cat-nav.
But still, you never know when it may come in useful.
Well, if you say so. Bye.
Good luck, Pat.
Look at this, Julian.
A telescope.
Wow.
Yeah, it's really powerful one. It'll be like the comet's as close as that apple.
Cool. Bet that's Dad now.
Yay! Let's go.
Hey, kids. Everyone ready to go?
Oh, I thought it was my telescope.
Ted, are you there? I'm on the roof. What are you doing up there?
Come and see.
I can't. I'm on a special delivery.
Meow.
Where are you going? Okay, but very quickly. Wow.
It's me Ted Glen Comet Viewer, made entirely from bits of old cars.
That's amazing.
Why don't you have a look?
Well, okay, but it really will have to be quick. There's Arthur. Oh. Oh, and look. There's Lauren with the minibus and Charlie. Come on, Jess. We've got to get a move on.
Right you are then, Pat. Good luck.
Thanks, Ted. Bye.
See you, Pat.
We should still make it, Jess. Ooh. Oh, no. That's all we need.
Maybe Pat's on his way with my telescope. Can we wait a bit longer?
I'm sorry, Charlie. If we don't go now, we'll miss the comet.
Please?
OK, just one more minute.
Hello, Pat.
Evening, Ajay. Whew. Right then, where's Charlie?
Sorry, Pat. You're too late. The minibus has just gone.
Oh, no. Ben, it's Pat. I'm afraid we didn't make it.
The comet will be here soon. We've got to get the telescope to Charlie.
I'll get it there. Don't worry. I'm going up to Greendale Peak to find them.
Good luck. Give me a call if you need me.
Thanks, Ben.
Torch, map, spare socks, water, and a length of rope.
Thanks, Sarah. Bye.
Be careful, won't you, Pat? It's easy to get lost up there.
We'll be fine. See you later. Now, I think Greendale Peak is this way. This way? I'm sure this is right, Jess. Oh, no. We're back where we started. Let's have a look at the map. Whoa! Jess! No, Jess! Stop! Put it down! Oh, thanks, Jess. Maybe Ben can help.
Hello? Pat? Is that you?
Ben?
I can't hear you.
Hello? The signal's gone. How are we going to find our way to Greendale Peak now?
Hey, Pat, how you doing, lad?
The sat-nav! Of course! Fine. Thank you. I do need to get to Greendale Peak, and by the quickest route.
Right. Destination Greendale Peak. Turn right at the next junction.
Great.
Nearly there now, guys. Just in time for the comet.
Yes. You can share my binoculars.
Oh, thanks, Mira. Bet they're not as good as my telescope.
The comet's gonna be here very soon. I hope this sat-nav knows where it's going.
Turn left through the gap in the hedgerow. And follow the footpath down to the stream, but be very, very, very careful.
Footpath? Stream? Oh, this can't be right, can it? That's Greendale Peak, all right. But how do we get there?
Welcome to Greendale Peak, children. The comet should be arriving in just a few minutes, so everyone quickly up to the top.
Cool! Wow, wicked!
And mind where you're going. The ground is very sticky in places. My hat! Come on, Julianne, keep up. You don't want to miss the comet.
Steady. Oh. Okay, Jess. Take it nice and slowly.
Yes, it's easy for some.
We haven't much time. Let's go.
Meow. Meow.
We've made it, Jess. Hello? Charlie? Where is everyone?
Meow.
That can't be them. Can it? I can't see from here. I need something like a telescope.
Meow.
It is them. Oh, we're on the wrong hill, Jess. We'll have to go back the way we came.
Meow. Meow.
Oh, steady.
Yes. Look, the comet's on its way. Oh, the minibus. We're nearly there, Jess. I think we might just make it. Whoa! Oh, no. I'm stuck.
Oh, 60 seconds to go till the comet.
60, 59, 58.
Help! I'm stuck in the mud. Help!
The rope, Jess. I need the rope. Oh, thanks, Jess. Come on, this time. Oh, yes. Oh, phew. Whew. Come on, Jess. Let's find Charlie.
31, 30, 29.
Which way, Jess? Left? All right. Jess? Julian's hat. Well done, Jess.
17,
Who are Charlie? Try them.
15, 14,
Thanks, Mira.
13, 12.
Oh, wow! I can see Pat!
Dad!
Pat!
I'm here.
My hat! It's almost time.
Charlie,
4,
quickly.
3,
Your telescope.
2,
Oh, thanks, Pat!
Look, there's the comet. Oh, wow!
It's brilliant.
So beautiful.
I can't see anything.
You might want to take the lens cap off first.
Oh, wow! Fantastic.
Oh, thanks, Pat.
You're a real star.
Well, I couldn't have done it without my cat nav. Special delivery service. Mission accomplished.
Special delivery.